Keeping your books current starts with recording transactions. FreshBooks gives you easy ways to get bank data in, whether you connect an account or enter manually. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The best method is to connect your bank. Go to the Accounting tab and link your business account. Transactions will flow in automatically for you to review and categorize. If you prefer manual entry, go to the Expenses or Sales tabs and click Add New. Enter the details from your bank statement or receipt. For transfers between accounts, use the Transfers feature to keep everything balanced. My crucial pro tip? Use the Rules feature for recurring transactions. For expenses that are identical every month, like your internet bill, create a rule. FreshBooks will learn to automatically categorize and assign future matching transactions, saving you tons of review time. Build accurate books by choosing the data entry method that fits your style. Do you connect your bank or enter transactions manually? For more foundational bookkeeping guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.